welcome back to Newton's Playground, where I am on the yacht yet again with Blue Lady right here, and we're going to turn her into wood. Wooden Lady, you don't scare me. Wait, no. Wooden Lady, come on. You missed the bitch. She'll be fine. I wonder if I can grab that shark. What can I... Hey, you're a shark. Right, just like... cause some mayhem up there. Like, you do stuff up there. Well, that was on you, mate, wasn't it? That was straight up your fault. Yeah, I'm just gonna dump her into the water. Fucking try it. No doors, not a problem. Just break the window. Totally a door there. I mean, totally not a door there. How's this not? There we go. Right, I'm going up to the up deck. Where'd the fucking shark go? How many times have I told you to stop dancing?
Come dance with us.
God, you people are so fucking ignorant. Go for a swim. That was totally my intention. What the fuck? What a shot. Trip over your wife. They're probably together or something, aren't they? Oh, fucking come here. Right. Let's grab the shark. We'll see if he eats anybody. Probably not. He might be a vegan. Vegan shark. Hello. Vegan teacher, don't come after me for saying vegan sharks. Right. Boy. Ah! Right. We have some food here for you. Said we have some food here for you. Okay, right. Right, just... stop. Oh god. How much health does this thing have? I'm gonna have to use 2 of these. Is it dead? Right. That was a good shot. Right, can I just throw him, like, into the water? Yeah. Bye. Can I have my axe back? Thank you, Fudgy. Why are you like a damsel in distress, bro? Put your arm back. Trick. You're cheating on the lady with black clothes. Get the fuck down. I don't like cheaters. I'll kill you then. I'd be a good construction worker. I've just took the window off its fucking hinge. Unhinged. Right. Stop coming after me. Stop. Okay? Okay. Thank you. My lady. Get the fuck. Right. Maybe a restart must be required. And we're all back to new. Shark can attack player? Yes, he can. I think I ended the last video with me drowning. That was a pleasant experience. So today, I'm going to do some shark hunting, and I'm going to see if I can catch a shark without trying to cheat it onto board. So I'm going to assemble my assault rifle, my AK-47, I need to load it up. I keep fucking pulling that thing off. I'm gonna reattach. There we go. See? Saving lives at one time.
Darling, please, don't shoot. I'm far too fabulous to die like this.
You're cheating. Now I need to grab that shark somehow. And I'm not using that. Get out of it. Let's have a look. Right, maybe I can plunge in. All with the risk of death. It's all for a good cause though. It's all back to bring joyful times. Okay, we have it. Ah! What the fuck? Ah! You bitch! No, well that was crazy. Fuck! Right, we're gonna have to go on a floaty then. We're gonna grab my floaty, we're gonna make it absolutely fucking massive. Wish it would stop moving though. Is there a slippery surface? Maybe it like needs no mass at all, so let's just hop in. And let's go. Go Flamingo, go. This is not going so well. Maybe I should get out of the water. Just maybe. Just maybe. Just maybe. Oh no. Oh no. Please let me out. Oh, for fuck's sake, I'll just restart again. I want to create a boat. On a boat. Or on a yacht. So let's pull out one of these. Then we should be able to elaborately construct some type of swag weapon. Well, not weapon. Let's put a thruster on the front. Get a nice little button to press. Plank. Put a megaphone on there to warn people that were coming. Stand ready for my arrival. Stand ready for my arrival. Oh, what the fuck? Get rid of that. Balloons. Oh no! Those balloons are way too powerful. God, I need to connection gun it. Connection terminated. God. I need this. Why is it wielded? Fuck. Why are you wielded? Come on. Oh, fuck's sake. Get rid of it. Right. Hop in. Maybe the balloons aren't such a good idea. Okay. All's going swell so far. Maybe I need to think it's gun again. What the fuck is happening? Okay, that went horribly. Again, another restart. God, this is disastrous. Mate, fuck this ship. It's going underwater again. I'm gonna see what happens. I didn't do shit. There's no smoke. No, I'm not gonna be the one to set it off. This lady is with the 3 landmines on this floor. And I'm gonna piss her off by firing a good old arrow at her. A good old arrow at her. I said a good old arrow at her. Old at her. Yep. And there we go. We're going fucking under. Get me out. Get me out. Get me out. Let me out. Let me out. She's still alive. Oh no, she's going under. Right. My best bet of survival is going into the ship. Maybe not into the ship. That was. Why is the party music still playing? Now's not the time to party. Right, explosive. This is disastrous. There we go, got one shot. Rise me up. I need to go. Come on. Up we go. Yes. We can leave our past lives behind. Hello, lady. Did you see the ship that sunk? It's quite tragic, isn't it? Now get off my fucking island. It's my island now. Being new to the shark. Should be there in about 2 to 4 business days. I will snipe you dead if I have to. Don't even think about it. She's like shaking her head. No, like, please don't kill me. You're still alive. No, you're not. Where's the shark? Alright, this is my island now. We're gonna camp our lives up here. Gonna get the beer ready. Because we're gonna be here a while. May as well get the chair out. The business chair of business. Got me a little cone here. A cone. Let's play bowling. Like from GTA 4. Let's play some bowling. Alright, we need a bowling ball. I got all of them down, see? Oh, this is just great. I'm the reason that ship sunk. Not anyone else. I killed it. I killed it. Say it with me. I killed it. I respawned it. We're back. And this time... No. Don't escape. You don't... Oh. Oh my god. I just fucking evaporated the bird. Well, I want to come in. And I'm not about shattering windows. So, we're just gonna do that with it. Give me a second, mate, as I slowly but elaborately do that to your window, and then I'm going to smash it using this guy here. Perfect, I can let myself in now. What are you talking about? Why am I not involved? Do you want a pencil? In your knee? Yeah, okay, we're going to do knee surgery. When exactly as planned. Right, you want hand surgery? Don't interrupt my surgery. And then you just want forehead surgery, so... Let's see what I can do with your forehead. Get back. Right, let's have a look, mate. Forehead surgery. That didn't go so well, did it? Now you're just standing up there. Right, shoulder surgery. Did you like it? No? Yeah, okay. Fine. This is a needle. That was a needle of, Sleepy. That was a needle of stand-up. Let's give him some more. Don't worry, it's only a medic. You'll feel a slight urge to throw up, so I'll just... Yeah, okay. Who knew this pencil was so powerful? Right, we're gonna give you some throw up needle, okay? You should feel the urge to throw up soon. You can have dye needle. And that was dye needle, not fight me back needle. And these guys, I don't know, this is just an empty needle, I'm gonna kill them. Can you stop looking into my eyes as I stab you? There you go, you look perfect. You deserve the proper send-off, Mr. I am crusty. I think that's your name anyway? Oh well. Goodbye, old friend. I don't know. Yo! Bang! I'll let you live, but on one condition, I'm allowed to smash this over your head. And didn't break. I'm allowed to smash an object of choice over your head, like this little mini yonter. Thank you. I feel satisfied about my life now. And I'll have that. If I can get up. Oh, that breaks. Nice. Right, we'll kill everyone at this party. Starting with her, because you won't get off the fucking bar.
Don't just stand there. Come dance with us.
Yeah, I'm the ultimate person that takes all the drinks and smashes them over people's faces. Yeah, bro, we're taking this to the top. Take her down. Maybe we need this. You broke the only thing I had in life, including you, Fudgy. Even though Fudgy did absolutely nothing. Cops! That's it, I think I'm gonna have to whip out infinite cup glitch. I have to start throwing cups at people now. Stop! Completely forgot I had that pencil. Anyone else want a fucking piece of me? How the fuck did he survive that? Oh, that would have been epic if I jumped on him and like got him. No. Right, you can turn off this shit. Right, give me a sec, I'm gonna destroy the music. I'm just gonna throw you off. And I'm gonna kill her. And that's it, folks. This is the 6th episode on Newton's Playground. I'm not gonna start making videos on this game because I absolutely love it. Oh, why the fuck is someone here? Can't end me video if someone's here, you see. It's just not happening, mate. I'll have to kill you now. Russian roulette. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, fuck. Why are you standing up? Give me a sec. I have excessive killing disorder. Oh mate, why is there so many people? I need infinite ammunition on this revolver. Yeah, I look like I'm made out of marble. That's perfect. Right, pick. Oh, god damn it. Right. Ending the video with a pigeon. Oh mate, I want to fly off on a pigeon into the sunset. That would be the greatest outro anyone has ever done in the history of videos. No, please. I need it. I need it. I can't end the video. You don't understand. Come on. Come on. Come here. Let me show you something. Yes. My victim. Not my victim, but my getaway vehicle. This is my getaway vehicle. Fuck. Why are they all so quick? Or am I just too slow? Right. No! Is there any pigeons on board? Or seagulls or whatever? Alright, I'll just end the video as normal. If you did enjoy today's video, consider leaving some more comments. Someone asked me how you spawned the physics gun in, and so I helped them out. Big, massive, fat, stinky shout out to that guy for actually commenting. And I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye, my little cookies.